Thank you, Dr. Richa, for this small gift from MediChitChat. Let me just do an unboxing. So probably this is the first unboxing on your YouTube channel. And I have got one box, another box, and a larger one. And plus a couple of things inside. Let me take this all here. Okay, let me keep this nice paper bag. It's an eco-friendly packing and tell you what we have. Okay, so I have got a pencil here, 2 sets of pencils, a nice ball pen and a keychain. Okay, oh, it says MediChitChat with a staff of Asclepius. Okay, so the doctor's keychain and something interesting out here. So I hope I don't break this. Okay, so this is a pen. Okay, so this is a pen. Okay, along with that. Oh, there's a light. Okay. It says get the vaccine. Oh. Okay, this is one. It's nice. Okay, get the vaccine. Okay, so I'm getting a vaccine. Oh, I think this is the keychain box and something here. Okay, there's a cup which says there's a cup which is going to brighten my morning coffee. Okay. And MediChitChat with Dr. Richa Singh. So I wish to say something that she's never said on the channel before. Okay, so please do like, subscribe and press the bell button to receive all the notifications. It's going to be of great help to everyone. Okay, do that please. And the last thing out here, okay, it's a bag of goodies, so it's got a lot of colorful stuff, nice kitty's keychain. Okay, and yeah, a mustache for me. Okay, I think it's for the pencil. Okay, it's fine. It's a mustache for the pencil. Okay,
it's an eraser.
Okay, it's an eraser.
Yes.
Okay, and a small pencil here, or a marker, a felt tip marker, and some, I suppose it's bookmarks or magnets. And all this is from Prof Factory. You should visit Prof Factory for all your gifts if you want to buy any from here. Highly recommended. Thank you so much.
I am going to unbox this beautiful Christmas hamper by MediChitChat. It's like a nice bag with a lot of goodies inside. So I'm just excited to unbox this and show you what all is there inside. I can see a lot of boxes, so let's open one by one. Let's see what do we have first. To begin with there's a pen, a beautiful pen with crystals, there's a diamond on the top and MediChitChat branding over it. Next one is this little box. And let us see what's there inside this. Wow, this is a keychain. And MediChitChat is a YouTube channel. So, and it makes amazing informative videos for the public. And it's by doctors, so hence the symbol. These are a few pencils which says MediChitChat with Dr. Richa Singh ma'am. This is a pen, so let's see. This is a protector, so just remove it the first time you want to use it, put it back, and there's a button on the top. So there's this light that you see. Oh wow, there's so many boxes inside. This is a beautiful mug with MediChitChat with Dr. Richa Singh. I can see a cute little stetho here with a heart. And and it's like a pill with YouTube logo. So this entirely represents the channel and the place where it's being played. This is another box, and let's open it. So I can see a lot of goodies, and one by one I'm going to take them out. This is an eraser that goes with the pencil, so you can just fix it on the top. Very cute keychain, sticky notes, and a highlighter pen. What's a two-way pen? There is, I think this is a color pen or a sketch pen, and this is a highlighter on this side, and this is curated by Prof Factory. So I'm just going to keep all the goodies here together and see how beautiful the entire hamper. So these are all the products that we've got in the Christmas hamper of Medi Chit Chat. So thank you so much, Medi Chit Chat, for curating something as nice as this. I really liked it.